Welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Netflix plan. First of all, you have to open the netflix.com website on your browser and then move to the right upper corner and select account. Next, you have to just scroll down a little bit until you find the plan details. It appears in this place in my case. Select change plan on the right side. And in my case, there's 3 plans, probably in your case also. So you get basic, standard and the premium. In each one you can also find preview, basically the description of each plan. If you want to switch, for example, from the premium to the standard, just select and click continue. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.